Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to Tim Can Cook. Today we're going to be making cocktail sauce for seafood. We're making this today because I'm out and we're having prawns later. I'm going to do boiled prawns and I love to dip them into a cocktail sauce. Very simple recipe, only has 5 ingredients. So we're going to start with a half a cup of your favorite ketchup. Into that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish. Now this is where you get to tailor the heat yourself in your sauce. 1 tablespoon of lemon. Give those a little stir. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. This is sriracha. You can use whatever hot sauce you like here. Some of them, as you know, have just more flavor, and some of them have more heat. And this is 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. So we just mix these up really well. This will keep in the refrigerator. There are no preservatives in here other than the lemon juice. This will keep in your refrigerator for about a month. I've actually had it longer than that, but I keep the quantity small so that you don't keep it for too long. And that's it. Beautiful cocktail sauce. Gonna lick off my finger. Just the right amount of heat. It's not gonna overpower your fish or whatever seafood you use it on. And I hope you like that sauce. So if you like this video, please subscribe, ring a little bell, share it with a friend, and I'll see you again next time on Tim Can Cook.